Mr. Max is a man of word and he has gained popularity for his such kind of positive attitude. As a firm defender, it is absurd to feed the blank with frail and fragile, which are opposite to the firmness, so choice E and F are eliminated. He gained popularity, that is, people like him as he is loyal to people. Renegade and treacherous as choice A and B mean a state of being disloyal, which is against the statement perceived from the passage, so choice A and B are also eliminated. Steadfast and staunch as choice C and choice D respectively mean a person who is resolutely or dutifully firm and unwavering. So choice C and D can show that he is a man of war with popularity in the media as a firm and dutiful defender of rights of general mass. So the correct answers are choice C and choice D.